AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, particularly computer systems. These processes include learning, the acquisition of information and rules for using the information, reasoning, using rules to reach conclusions, problem solving, perception, such as vision and speech recognition, and language understanding. AI can be categorized into two main types. Narrow or weak AI. This type of AI is designed and trained for a specific task or a narrow range of tasks. It operates within a limited context and cannot perform tasks outside of its designed scope. Examples include voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, recommendation systems on streaming platforms, and image recognition software. General or strong AI. This type of AI is hypothetical and refers to a system that possesses human-like cognitive abilities, allowing it to understand, learn, and perform any intellectual task that a human being can. Strong AI would have the ability to apply knowledge to different domains, understand diverse contexts, and perform tasks requiring general intelligence. As of now, true general AI does not exist and remains a subject of research and speculation. AI technologies include machine learning, which involves training algorithms to learn from data and make predictions or decisions based on that data, and deep learning, a subset of machine learning that utilizes neural networks to model complex patterns. Other AI techniques include natural language processing, NLP, for understanding and generating human language, computer vision for image and video analysis, robotics for physical tasks, and more. AI has seen significant advancements in recent years and is being applied in various fields such as healthcare, finance, manufacturing, entertainment, and transportation, among others. However, it's important to note that AI, as of now, lacks true consciousness and emotions. It performs tasks based on patterns and algorithms without genuine understanding or consciousness.